Kid, welcome to my math class. Feel free to take a look around my classroom today. I have Kelly Underwood that's here to show you a little bit about the structure of our classroom.
Hello, I'm Kelly Underwood, and I'm going to be the first stop on your journey. First and perhaps most importantly, you notice that we only have 18 students in the classroom right now. Typically, middle school classes have 36 students at one time, but because of our lab rotation, the numbers of our classes are significantly reduced. This gives us more access to the teacher when we need additional support. This particular class is broken into different small groups based on pacing within it. Let's move this direction to learn more about how groups are formed.
Hello, and welcome to our math class. To determine the groups, we first start with a pretest that assesses what prior knowledge you have on the subject. If we can test out of the unit or portion of the unit, this is the place to do it. Once we analyze the pretest, we plug it into the unit pathway in the appropriate place. If you look this direction, you will see Group 1.
This is Group 1. We are in need of specific support as outlined by our pretest. This group will change depending on need, but as you can see, this kid only has 3 students around her. This is the increased access that was mentioned earlier. Our teacher can tailor the direct instruction to the match what we need the most. As you move around the room, you will see how the other groups are working.
This group is one that did extremely well on the pretest. It only has a few concepts to master before moving on to the next unit pathway. We have several resources available, such as manipulatives, resource books, technology, media resources, research documents, and yes, even our teacher. Our teacher will rotate through our group to ensure understanding, but if we ever get to a point where we don't understand, she will be there to answer our questions.
The groups that had tested out level and expectations take this time to practice and collect evidence of learning. This is the portion of the class that we have to do something with what we either learned or could show that we already knew on the pretest.
In review, our classes are designed to support us where we are learning. If you look at this from a sporting analogy, you wouldn't want to put an Olympic swimmer with practice with people that didn't know how to swim, and likewise, you wouldn't expect a beginner to keep up with the Olympics. Locust Grove Middle School is designed to support us when we need it, how we need it, and where we need it.
Thanks for coming to my classroom. Feel free to come back anytime.